Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, yes, I'm back for a full-length video. Guys, I've been incredibly busy. Had my entire birthday week last week. Literally went from Wednesday to Sunday, which was awesome. So thank you very much to all of you who wished me a happy birthday. You guys absolutely rock. It's just been chaotic. But anyway, I have been keeping a close eye on the crypto markets. It's fascinating to see what's going on. It's literally going sideways right now, and everything's still recovering. And again, we're going to go over the prices, and there's quite a bit of news to go through, honestly, as well, in terms of more XRP news, incredibly bullish. Again, XRP ETF, I cannot wait for this. It is going to be happening, very soon, hopefully, now that this freaking lawsuit is over. I don't know if anyone actually feels a little bit lost, because it's been so long that we've been in this, battle with the SEC. Now that it's over, it's like, what next, right? ETFs, exchange traded funds, bring it on. SUI is a cryptocurrency that I'm very, very bullish on. Raoul Pal called this a while ago as well. Salana price predictions, we're going to go over that. When a Salana ETF is going to be basically going live on Wall Street. Bitcoin ETFs in Hong Kong are struggling at the moment. And Ethereum ETFs as well. Funny because there was someone who paid a massive gas fee on Ethereum. Absolutely wild. Anyway, guys, let's get into the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing in cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are pretty interesting in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything, it's down there. Thank you very much, you guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yeah, we don't like to lose, but you can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto, all right? So be careful, do your own research, and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. I'm going to go straight to CoinMarketCap today. I'm going to go over my top altcoins in a sec, but we've got a total market cap of 2.07 trillion. It is down 4.27% today. $66 billion in volume. It is incredibly low. I think there's still a lot of fear in the markets out there from, Japan stock market collapse and them raising interest rates last week. That was brutal. Fear and greed index is sitting at 50, and Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 55%. Bitcoin's currently trading down 1.71% today. We'll see what happens when the market opens in a few hours. And it is a late video tonight, I do apologize. $59,000 Bitcoin, ETH's at 2,667. Solana's trading at $150 US, XRP's at 57 cents. People need to be a lot patient, or more patient with XRP. It's still early days, all right? They only just won the lawsuit last week. Calm down, people. Very, very bullish for XRP. Has regulatory clarity. That's it, it's done. I mean, seriously, it's commodity, bullish. Moving down, couple of other gems, my banking coins. XLM's at 10 cents. SUI up 17% right here, $1.03. I don't know if anyone's actually accumulated that. Scrolling down, Hedera's at 5 cents. VeChain doing absolutely jack all. Again, this has been going on for nearly 13, 14 months now. Immutable X at $1.16. Scrolling down, yes, Gucci's going bananas right now. ALGO's at 12 cents. Keep scrolling down. We have Axie at $4.75. There's some great buying opportunities. There really is. Now, if I go to my portfolio, which again, I do share every single day in the Patreon, which is linked below. Top altcoins in my portfolio, we have SUI, AGIX, Ubix Network, XPR Proton, Near Protocol, Litecoin, and Ethereum. They're the top gainers. Now, again, I'm going to share the full list tonight as well in the Patreon. I've got to do a massive update in that because the dividend portfolios had a significant change. Like insane. I'm going to put that in the Patreon. So go join up. Also, my trading bots are working quite well. Yes, guys, Wall Street Bull University. Go join up to it, guys. I'm going to be posting up there tonight. Got some free time, so I'm going to get all the information up there. Again, all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, trading bots with ThreeCamels on OKX and Gate.io, all linked in here, guys. Go check it out. The bots are still working incredibly well, but just needs more capital, of course. But the bots still have not stopped because I'm using them on the spot trading market, all right? Very, very bullish. Now, going over to ThreeCamels. Now, again, I've got all my bots set up. There's been massive liquidations with the what do you call it? Leverage trading. So be careful. You can just, you can't predict that, so you get wiped. But of course, I've got my spot trading bots running: Ethereum, Salana, Immutable X, Chainlink, DYDX, Ethereum Classic, XRP, Polkadot. We've got Matic. What else have we got here, guys? Mina, I believe that is. Hedera, Toncoin. The futures bot, though, I don't know if it's still working at the top. I've got to check that in there because again, wiped out on that one. The market's very volatile, so I should have expected that. Anyway, let's get to crypto bubbles on the hour. It's a sea of green. Let's go to the day. SUI is basically the biggest gainer right here, up 17.5% today. Aptos right here, both of these guys, SUI and Say, I love them both. I do hold both of these in the portfolio, but really nice to see that. Still up 71%, as you can see on the chart right here in the year, which is ridiculous. And let's have a look at Say. It's still up 46% this week, which is nice. Okay, I'm still bullish on that. It's at 30 cents USD. And going to the year, this is what people need to do. Zoom out. Toncoin, Bonk. We have Solana still up 507%. Fetch AI, 348. I'm going to be interested to see what happens after all of this market pressures on at the moment, and what happens here. But anyway, that's it for that. Yes, I did post up a short, by the way. I'm going to be doing a bit more of those because it's easier for me to get content out quick. But yes, this was amazing, this victory against the SEC. Love it. On Wednesday last week, a federal court ordered Ripple to pay $125 million in civil penalties and issued an injunction to prevent future violations of securities laws. You know, it's just basically a slap on the wrist and a big FU to Gary Gensler. And the ruling was handed down by District Judge Annalisa Torres in the South District of New York, who determined, it's been a long day, that 1,278 institutional sales by Ripple breached securities regulations, resulting in a $125 million penalty. The amount is significantly less than the $1.9 billion in disgorgement, prejudgment interest, and civil penalties initially sought by the SEC. $1.9 billion less. That is insane. The amount of money that the SEC tried to get out of Ripple. It's nuts. Decision followed Judge Torres on July 2023 verdict that Ripple direct sales to XRP institutional clients violated securities laws, although she found no violations in Ripple's programmatic sales to retail. You and I, right? Decision ends the SEC's case against Ripple. However, it is expected that the agency will appeal. Of course they will. Despite the SEC's unsuccessful attempt to appeal in this aspect of the case, the injunction against future violations indicates a judicial caution towards Ripple's potential to cross the line on its on-demand liquidity offerings. So we'll see what happens with that. And Judge Torres emphasized the possibility of future violations, justifying the injunction, stating that a reasonable probability that the Ripple might again breach securities laws. Additionally, Ripple is required to file registration statement for any future security sales. And it is basically a huge win for Ripple. I mean, current sales of XRP post-complaint do not necessarily violate securities federal laws. This is, by the way, I should say, crypto lawyer Fred Rispoli. He goes, I called that the judge would essentially grant an injunction that Ripple could not violate federal law. That's where we leave it. SEC lost big, where the court refused to grant the categorical injunction. All institutional sales, especially on-demand liquidity or ODL. No disgorgement, huge loss for the SEC here. Ripple did not recklessly disregard regulatory requirements, which is the truth. Post-July 13 conduct by Ripple re-institutional sales did not rise to level blame shifting. I called NetBurn expert rule was never going to be decided in a favorable way to Ripple. Today starts a 60-day countdown, the deadline for an appeal. So they've got 60 days, which is interesting. Let's see what the SEC does, because they're a bunch of clowns. XRP Bullish Options popularity jump may be due to the ETF speculation. Again, interesting though, but traders have locked in over $2 million in XRP, a $1.10 call option listed on Deribit right here, the highest across all available maturities. The large open interest in the nascent XRP options market likely reflects the ETF optimism right here. So now that this case is done, there could be some, of course, institutions applying for an XRP ETF. That is insane. I cannot wait for that to happen. Very, very nice. And let's see who's going to come out, the first one out of the gates, who actually puts an ETF application in for XRP. Could you imagine Gary Gensler getting that on his desk? Mind blown. SUI is doing incredibly well as well and has recorded an impressive bullish run in the last week as the broader crypto market saw a rebound, which, this is what happens in cryptocurrency anyway. But traders now expect a price correction for the asset. And one of the main reasons why there is a lot going on the network at the moment, which is, again, I've been talking about SUI for a long time, but one of the main reasons why, here we go, but SUI's price surge could be the launch of the Grayscale Investment Trust, gotta love Grayscale, right, for the asset on August 7th, which was the day before my birthday. That's bullish. Another could be the market-wide rebound as the global crypto market cap surged from 1.9 trillion to 2.07 on August 6th. So who knows? The open interest is going nuts on SUI. I'm bullish on it, and it's still incredibly cheap. Let's see where it goes. Salana ETFs. I'm not going to go into the price predictions because I know where it's going to go. I'm bullish on it as always. But the next big target for the spot ETF issuers in the United States, but does approval in Brazil mean it will happen soon in America? Again, has to get through Gary Gensler. I mean, it's utterly ridiculous how much this guy has destroyed cryptocurrencies in the United States. It's nuts. But the Salana, Brazil has emerged as a trailblazer in the realm of crypto ETFs. The United States, a traditional financial powerhouse, is grappling with more cautious approach in the US SEC, continues to navigate complex waters of crypto regulation. They just need it. Why are they taking so freaking long? It's crazy. The stark contrast between the two nations' respective regulatory stances has ignited fervent debate among investors and industry experts. The path to approval is complex. SEC's regulatory stance on cryptos like Salana, which could be classified as securities, introduces additional challenges. Furthermore, the absence of robust Salana futures market, which is interesting, which played a key role in the approval of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, may further complicate the delay in the approval process, but it can still happen. All right. Hong Kong is facing a systemic market obstacle, says the OSL executive. So the structure of the Hong Kong equity markets does not help the growth of the crypto ETFs. And again, there's been a lot of market volatility anyway, but crypto ETFs also face inherent bias against Bitcoin and Ether in the region. So Hong Kong's struggling a little bit with their Bitcoin ETFs. To be quite honest with you, I don't even know what's going on with the Australian ones. I have to look into that to see how they're going. I mean, the whole market's quiet. This is a great opportunity, I'm just saying. Not financial advice. And the spot Ethereum ETF's weekly inflow hits $105 million. Is ETH going to 3,000? I suspect, this is just my opinion, by the way, Bitcoin ETFs will surge. Bitcoin will surge to 150K once all of this macro stuff's done. US election is completed. Ethereum, I suspect, will go to, well and truly above, $10,000, $20,000 USD. Just a matter of time. Then we may get next year, probably close to early next year, the Salana ETFs. Hopefully, the same time, an XRP ETF. I cannot wait for that. Let's get into the where the money's been going, the net flow. We've got money going into BNB, which I don't like. XRP, we do have, let's have a look here, Litecoin, SUI, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, of course, and Ethereum name service and near protocol. Very, very nice to see that. Moving on to X, let's get on to this and we'll finish up here. Thank you very much to all of you for following me on X. You guys rock. Now, again, some interesting stuff right here. That's Kathy Woods. Again, this is the recent crypto market crash that literally wiped out $1.5 billion in leveraged positions. This is why you be careful with leverage trading. Have a listen to this.
Positions, with Bitcoin alone losing 404 million and Ethereum not far behind at 365 million. It was liquidation city for over 300,000 traders, with the biggest single wipeout being a $27 million BTC position on Wobi. Talk about a rough start to the week. The whole market plunged 17.64% in 24 hours, dropping to a total market cap of as low as 1.78 trillion. As the crypto market
Donald
crashed,
Trump playing golf. Hell, that is hilarious. Let's have a look here, guys. Yes, XRP. I love putting this stuff in here, guys, because it's true. Have a listen to this.
They use XRP. In 2013, the Federal Reserve began looking for faster payments options. 2 years later, an action plan was born and a federal payments task force was created. It included one company focused on crypto, Ripple. In 2014, the World Bank and Better Than Cash Alliance, which includes the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Clinton Global Initiative, and the governments of 32 countries, put out a report called The Opportunities of Digitizing Payments. 1 year later, the Better Than Cash Alliance featured one crypto company on their website, Ripple. Today, Better Than Cash Alliance and all other UN initiatives are focused on a single agenda, the Sustainable Development Goals for 2030. You can see the SDGs logo on Bill Gates' lapel, world-leading companies, the Better Than Cash Alliance website, and on the UN's official exchange, Exchange. What crypto is Exchange officially utilizing for their carbon credit solution? XRP. The world will move to a new international standard for exchanging electronic messages between financial institutions by 2025 called ISO 20022. Who was the first ISO 20022 member focused on distributed ledger technology? Ripple. Who's partnered with over 300 financial institutions, including Bank of America, American Express, PNC, Santander, SBI, HSBC, Standard Chartered Bank, Bank of England, India, Singapore, Scotland, Australia, and Indonesia, the largest banks in Japan, Canada, Egypt, the Middle East, United Arab Emirates, Thailand, Morocco, Bhutan, South Korea, Brazil, and Latin America? Ripple. Who is a former employee overseeing the Federal Reserve? Ripple.
I don't even need to say anymore, guys. That's the truth. Anyway, the Fear and Greed Index at the moment is currently at 25 this afternoon, which is crazy. And this is interesting. I saw this, but breaking: Stuart Alderotti, Ripple Chief Legal Officer, CLO, on CNBC. The SEC has ended the XRP lawsuit and he now wants to work with us on a possible XRP ETF approval. It's going to happen. And this is what I want to end on, guys. But this is wild, right? This is insane. Save the best till last, right? An unknown user accidentally spent 90,000 US dollars in gas fees, 90,000 freaking dollars on gas fees, just to transfer $2,200 worth of Ethereum. Why? Why would you spend $90,000? World's gone effing mad. Anyway, guys, take care of yourselves. I'll be back tomorrow with another update, all right? And stay safe out there. Be careful with your trading. Have a strategy. And dollar cost average, all right? Be careful and join the Wall Street Bull University. Peace out, Bulls. Take care. Bye.